Okay, we're light on agenda today.
Maybe a general question.
Yeah.
Did you create this that PR, no, not the part, the change in the network policy DB for the migrations to switch from, I think, what is it, service bindings to running service bindings and or service groups and staged service groups or something like this?
Jeff?
Yeah, I think that's what you're talking about.
We found that in one of our landscapes, or like CF installations, we found that one of the tables one of the entries for bringing data into the new table contained duplicate entries, which led to duplicate key violation.
Mhm.
I think this might have impact in case you have duplicate entries in your database as well. Did you fix that already? I saw that.
Yeah. So that's what 3.80 is. Constantine
Yeah.
reached out to me yesterday about it. So
Okay, who reached out?
Constantine?
Konstantin Lapkov?
Uh,
Yeah, I think,
yeah,
we were in
yeah.
contact with him. Okay. Yeah, I guess we have to consume that then as soon as possible. Okay.
Good.
Oh,
I
Jovan
was
is
worried you
here.
were going to say that these were bad.
No. These were actual fixes, I guess.
Good. I like that better. Hello,
Jovan,
Jovan.
why are you here, Jovan? You're on vacation.
Hi. Yeah, I am. I'm the boss. I have to be there. um,
Okay.
Apart from this, we are still working on bringing the pipelines to more community related places, not from, also bring them from Broadcom to the GitHub repositories, but this is still ongoing, I guess.
Okay. Yes, I didn't expect it to be done in a day. But the work has started.
Work is started.
Okay,
It's a Thursday and Friday project of Pascal and Jovan. So Jovan's actually Jovan should be on vacation, but Pascal is working on Friday and Thursdays.
You're moving them to GitHub Actions, right?
Yes.
Is that the plan? Yeah.
I think Pascal has also started to work on building a lot of Docker containers for this. Did you already clarify where we could possibly store them or store the definitions of these Docker containers? Because ideally they would also be placed somewhere in the Cloud Foundry org somewhere.
Yeah, I see no problem with that. I haven't talked to anyone about this. But I think that if you talk to Chris Clark, he can get you a login that has permission to push to that org. And
Okay.
then you can just have a logging and metrics Docker Hub login.
Okay.
But we also need a GitHub repository where we should push the definitions. And at the time being, we've decided with Pascal to simply use some repo so that we're not blocked and we can start work, and we will move them to probably to Cloud Foundry, some Cloud Foundry repo later on when we clarify where should we put them actually.
Yeah, you can just open up if you wanted to, you could open up a PR now that creates a new repo. So that way it will be automatically generated by like the community infrastructure. Name it whatever you want. And so that way it's there for you when you want to start using it. Because it's probably about, like a 6-hour delay between when things get merged and when the automation runs again.
That's fine, but the moment we can start doing that, but we're pretty early in the phase where we have something to push actually. But
Okay.
it's good if you say that we can create a pull request somewhere and simply create the repo. Do we have some documentation about it, or can you send us an example or something?
Yeah, let's see. Create repo? Let's see. Let's see what this one does.
Okay, the pull request in the community repo. Okay.
So you'll add it to, I guess, in orgs, name it, and then add it to the working group as well.
So will this automatically create a repository then, or?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay.
And then it would automatically you put it in the logging and metrics area, and everyone in logging and metrics would have access to it.
Okay.
Okay, that's cool.
I think maybe there was one more thing we covered. I don't remember. Anything else I can help you with in this area?
Yes, we haven't done any releases for a while. Some releases are pretty old, I would say, like April, May this year. And I've asked a few times in this group chat that we have on Slack, if someone can cut few releases. That would be nice, but I don't know actually who to ask. Exactly. So I've asked Wade and
Yeah, I think all the people that we're in the DM with about this would be the correct people to ask.
okay, so I'll pick someone from them and then
Apply more pressure.
make them. Okay.
Don't worry, I've asked other people from other teams have asked that. But feel free, please keep applying pressure. They should be cutting
Oh,
releases.
okay. I see that Vey is pretty active in the auto collector release, so I guess you're working something there. And there were some pull requests on the Lokesh release. So it's good that the work is normalizing slowly, I would say. It's fine.
Anything else that we want to talk about today? Okay, go enjoy your vacation, Jovan. Get out of here.
Thanks.
See you all later.
See you. Thanks. Bye.